Hi, I'm Craig with Dormir Bed Foam. I want to start today by thanking you for checking out our video. Dormir Bed Foam is a local company located in northeast Calgary. We design and build our own custom mattresses right here in Calgary using premium quality North American made materials. We have a full line of latex and memory foam mattresses with various different price points and different qualities from which to choose, and certainly different comfort levels. We can custom order and custom design a mattress suited just for you, to your specifications and needs. So thank you again for checking out our video. I know we can provide a mattress made just for you.
Dormir Bed Foam is at Unit 20, 2520, 23rd Street Northeast in Calgary. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Go to dormirbedandfoam.com for our full line of products and services. You can also watch other videos in this series. Dormir Bed Foam is the place for custom foam products manufactured in Calgary. At Dormir, it's a good night.